This is Carlos Cousins, and the following additional topics in mathematics question is asking you to not only figure out what the value of c is in order to solve the problem, but what c divided by 2 will be, and then to try to match that with one of the other missing numbers we've got. Well, they're telling us from the beginning that m and n are parallel, so we know that e equals 2d as well. That's another given, and that e and c are both alternate exterior angles. So because these are two parallel lines cut by transversal L, we can, because E and C are alternate exterior, know that E degrees is going to equal C degrees. So C degrees, since E degrees equals 2D, is going to have to equal 2D. Awesome. We also know that D and C are supplementary, so D plus C have to equal 180. So D degrees plus C degrees has to equal 180 degrees, and we already know that C equals 2D. So D degrees plus 2D degrees equals 180 degrees. So 3D degrees equals 180 degrees. So this is great because now we can get a real value for D. We can divide both sides by 3, and we end up with D equals 60 degrees. That took me far too long. So D equals 60 degrees. Awesome. So now we're trying to figure out what C is going to be. Well, if D equals 60 degrees and C equals 2D, well, then we know that C is going to have to equal 120 degrees. So if we're going to divide 120 by 2 to get whatever we want, we're going to end up with 60 degrees as well. So basically we want which of these letters equals 60 degrees. So we already know D does, but D isn't one of the answer choices. D, however, is a vertical angle with angle B. So D has to equal B, since both of these are on their vertical angles on either side of a transversal in a parallel line system. So since D equals B and D equals 60 degrees, B also equals 60 degrees. And because, again, 60 degrees was C divided by 2, or 120 divided by 2, B can be our right answer. I hope that helped with this problem, and happy prepping.